My fellow Jamaicans, it is with great pride and gratitude that I extend warm greetings to our people at home and across the diaspora as we celebrate the 64th anniversary of our nation's political independence. Today marks the anniversary of the culmination of a remarkable journey of a people who believed that they could determine their own destiny, having struggled over centuries for workers' rights, for universal adult suffrage, which is the right to vote, for self-government, and for a more just society. The historic events of August 6, 1962, embodied a bold declaration that Jamaicans possess the talent, the wisdom, and the determination to govern ourselves and to shape our own future. As we celebrate this anniversary, we can take immense pride in what Jamaica has achieved. Though small in size, our influence on the world has been extraordinary. Our musical artists have transformed global culture, and our creative industries are among the most influential in the world. Our athletes have redefined performance at the international level. Our scholars, entrepreneurs, innovators, and professionals have earned global respect. Our healthcare workers, educators, and other professionals distinguish themselves wherever they serve. We have produced entrepreneurs who have built globally respected brands based on excellence. Our diaspora remains one of our nation's greatest assets, contributing not only through remittances of money, but through their knowledge, investment, advocacy, and enduring love for the land of their birth. Our location, the time zone we are in, the language we speak, all of these position us advantageously to play an even greater role in global trade and investment. Yet, despite the great achievements and exciting possibilities, we also face many challenges and endure many frustrations. We must therefore ask the question, what does independence really mean for our people? The independence of 1962 was primarily a constitutional moment when we assumed power over our internal governance and external affairs. Our founding fathers and mothers recognized that political independence is not an end in itself, and that nation building would require more than symbols and ceremonies. They knew that our people's aspirations have always extended beyond the mere transfer of political authority and include the achievement of a fair and just society that provides opportunities for all our citizens to advance in life and achieve their goals. If we are to realize the opportunities that are there to be grasped by our nation, the pursuit of a holistic vision of independence is our ongoing task. A holistic vision of independence entails a society in which our economy is well balanced and strong, where talent and application are rewarded, where innovation is encouraged, where integrity is embraced as a core principle of personal identity and of national development, and where success is determined by merit rather than one's circumstances. It requires strong democratic institutions that are protected from the insidious creep of autocratic tendencies. It requires sound and accountable governance and respect for the rule of law, not the misuse of the processes of the law to undermine accountability. It requires the expansion of economic opportunities for all and the pursuit of social and reparatory justice to overcome the lingering effects of historic wrongs. It requires a shared commitment to the pursuit of the common good and the deliberate and authentic embrace of unity as the balm for achieving our national goals. And perhaps most of all, it requires a strategy of national development that is firmly anchored in these principles. That is the Jamaica we should strive to build. And the work to build it is a shared responsibility of all of us. Government, opposition, the business sector, trade unions, churches, civil society, and families all have a responsibility to ensure that our nation achieves this holistic vision of independence. So, it is time to come together to fully decolonize our 1962 Constitution so that our head of state is no longer a foreign monarch and our final court is no longer the colonial vestige of that monarch, but is an institution of judicial excellence that has been deliberately fashioned to be accessible to our people and to ensure its independence from political interference. As we celebrate this 64th anniversary, let us remember that the Jamaican story was never written by those who doubted what was possible. Our story has always been told by those who believe that despite every challenge, this nation could pull together and pull through and become stronger. And that same spirit must guide us now. So may we continue to honor the sacrifices of those who secured our freedom by building a nation worthy of their vision. Happy Independence Day, Jamaica. May God continue to bless our beloved land and all her people.